Has negativity been knocking at your door? Today, I'm going to teach you how to send it packing. Hi everyone, I am Coach Marisa Reyes at The Power Within, and today I'm going to teach you 3 easy steps that you can take to send negativity packing and keep it out of your home. So if you have been doing the hard work and working on releasing negative thoughts and experiences, you've practiced forgiveness, and that old stuff or those negative thought patterns keep showing up, well, these 3 tips today are going to help you send that packing and get it out of your life. I want you to imagine that there's like these gremlins and they're knocking at your door and you have a choice to let them in or not. Our first tip is to denounce it. So if this negative thought has popped back into your head, you're just going to say, spirit of whatever. So for example, spirit of negativity, I do not receive you. In the name of, and then you're going to say your higher power, get out. So for example, let's say it's fear. Spirit of fear, I do not receive you. In the name of God, get out. It's as simple as that. Now, if you've done the other work, that should be the end of it. And that's a great tool to make sure that that negative stuff doesn't come into your life. So you can use that for all kinds of things. It could be fear, it could be scarcity, it could be worrying, laziness, procrastination, or any other sort of behavior that you're like, wait, this isn't me. This isn't who I am. What is going on here? No. You do not get to come into my life and ruin my day. And so this is the way that we take control and we send it packing. Number 2, putting on a protective bubble. So what this means is we are going to prevent negativity from coming into our space by creating a protective bubble. So you just close your eyes and you imagine yourself surrounded in a bubble of bright light. And the color might vary depending on how you're feeling, or it could vary from person to person. I only know what my bubble looks like. I'm only myself. First of all, you're going to picture that bright bubble of light around you, and then we are going to line that bubble with mirrors. So it ends up looking like a disco ball. And what that's going to do is those mirrors are going to reflect the negativity of others back at them, so that when they start to unload it on you, they'll be like, oh, they'll see themselves and what they're doing, be like, I don't like that, and then stop. Which is awesome because it keeps them from dumping all that stuff on you. Because when we're dealing with negative stuff, like nobody wants to just hold on to it. And so most people, their best tool is to just offload it onto other people. And this way you are able to set up that protective bubble so they're not offloading it onto you. Number 3, when negativity comes knocking at your door, you can prevent it from coming into your home and your life by surrounding yourself with positivity. The easiest way I know how to do that is to have positive music. So I've created a positive music playlist, and that is how I start my day every day. And if I'm going to be doing hard things, I like to just have that music playing in the background because it encourages me, it empowers me, it inspires me, cheers me on when things are tough and I am feeling down, that I can get through this, I can do this, and keep going. So you can also use sacred texts. And when I say texts, I don't mean the kind that you send with your phone. I mean like a written text that you can read. So that might be your holy book. This might be a book that you find that encourages and uplifts you and gives you strength during times of struggle. And so that also works. So picture this, that you got the negativity gremlins knocking at your door. You've got your positive music playing. You've got your protective bubble, disco ball on. And then when they come to the door, you denounce them and send them packing and tell them to get lost. You're setting yourself up for a pretty great day. So these are 3 tools that I hope will help you to curb the negativity when it comes up so that you can have an amazing and empowered day. For more empowerment tips like this, check out my Resilience 101 videos on my channel that are there to encourage and inspire you and help you stay strong and be resilient. I am Coach MARISA Reyes at The Power Within, empowering healthy and fulfilling lives, body, mind, and soul.